Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes. Kids, today we are going to see about Unit 2 Prose, and the name of our lesson is When the Trees Walked. Okay kids, lend your ears to listen it. One morning, while I was sitting beside grandfather on the veranda steps, I noticed the tendril of a creeping vine trailing nearby. As we sat there in the soft sunshine of a North Indian winter, I saw the tendril moving slowly towards grandfather. 20 minutes later, it had crossed the step and was touching his feet. See, the author tells us about one day he was sitting near his grandfather on the steps veranda. Here, veranda, which means a roofed platform along the outside of a house. Yes, the author noticed that curl of a creeping vine series passes nearby. Yes, it was happened the author and his grandfather was sitting in the soft sunshine of the North Indian winter. Also, he watched that curled plant which was moving slowly towards his grandpa. Yes, and it will happen for next 20 minutes. Also, it touched his grandpa's feet. Yes, there is probably a scientific explanation for the plant's behavior, something to do with light and warmth perhaps. But I liked to think it moved across the steps simply because it wanted to be near grandfather. One always felt like drawing close to him. Sometimes when I sat by myself beneath a tree, I would feel rather lonely, but as soon as grandfather joined me, the garden became a happy place. But probably it has a scientific explanation for that plant's behavior. It moves when something to do with light and warmth of the sun. Yes, anyhow, I would like to say that it moves because it wanted to be near my grandpa. And the author always felt like to be very close to with his grandfather. Even sometimes he was sat under the tree and also he was started to felt like lonely. Yes, the garden was become a happy place when the grandpa was joined along with me. Then only the garden become the happy place for him. Yes. Grandfather had served many years in the Indian Forest Service, and it was natural that he should know trees and like them. On his retirement, he built a bungalow on the outskirts of Dehradun, planting trees all around lime, mango, orange, and guava. Also eucalyptus, jarkanda, and Persian lilacs. In the fertile Doon Valley, plants and trees grew tall and strong. See, grandfather was served many years as an Indian forest officer, yes, and it was quite natural. He knows about the characteristics of each and every trees and also trees like grandpa. Yes, after his retirement, he was built a bungalow on the outside of the Dehradun. He was planned to planting trees all around his house. Yes, and he was planted lime, mango, orange, guava, also eucalyptus and so on. Also that all the trees grew very tall and strong enough. Yes. There were other trees in the compound before the house was built, including an old peepal that had forced its way through the wall of an abandoned outhouse, knocking the bricks down with its vigorous growth. See, some other trees also was there in near grandpa's house before the house was built, yes, including one large peepal tree had forced its way through the walls of a house compound wall. Yes, because of this the bricks get down. Yes, actually the peepal tree is very strong and it has healthy growth. Yes, actually peepal tree was a great show off to display. Yes, we all know that it is very huge. Yes. Even when there is no breeze, their broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops, determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Grandmother had wanted the peepal tree cut down, but grandfather had said, "Let it be. We can always build another outhouse." See, when there is no breeze, the leaves of the trees will start to spin like tops. It tries you to attract your attention and invite you into the shade of the tree. Yes, but the grandmother actually was taught to cut down the tree, but grandpa told to not to cut the tree. Let it be. If we want means we can build another outhouse, like that grandpa told to that grandma. Yes. Grandmother did not mind trees, but she preferred growing flowers and was constantly ordering catalogs and seeds. Grandfather helped her out with the gardening, not because he was crazy about flowers, gardens, but because he liked watching butterflies, and there is only one way to attract butterflies, he said, and that is to grow flowers for them. See, actually, grandmother did not like to mind trees, but she always preferred growing flowers. Yes, and also constantly she would like to order catalogs and seeds. Yes, grandpa helped her with the gardening, not because of his desired wish. Grandpa liked to watch butterflies, and there is only the one way to attract butterflies, and also he told that he would grow the flowers for them to have. Yes, that is why he was helped to grow the flowers. Okay kids, rest of the thing will be continued in next class. Yes, here I have attached today's session page. What you have to do is read and practice the lesson thoroughly. Okay? Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Yes, here I have attached our homework part. Try to do your homework on time. Okay kids, thank you.